I think you see that the big pharma, the top 10 at least, have already established their continuous manufacturing platforms. And you can see that first products are coming out of this on their pipelines. So it's important for the CDMOs to be prepared to support their clients. And this is not only for the commercial scale, also for the development scale, because some of these innovators, they have not necessarily commercial scale equipment even. So they need CDMOs to manufacture their new drug entities and to deliver them as fast, as safe and as affordable as possible to the market. So this is the role the CDMO are playing in this competitive arena.